Hi folks, Terry Brown, and I want to thank you for stopping by to check out this video today. Going to be real quick. We're introducing an incredible, very simple system that you can use to generate $100 to $300 per day. If you can copy and paste ads, okay, to any of these social media sites, you know, your Facebook, Pinterest, Twitter, or you can do videos as well just to get the information out there. But whatever you can do, it will help you to generate between $100 to $300 plus per day. Okay. And so we've got some tremendous training and a lot of things to help you to really become successful online. Let me just share this with you really quickly, and then I'll close this video out today. But this is a business that is perfect, okay, for people who need more money, more income, people who are struggling financially, people who hate their jobs, people who are tired of scams, okay, people who want a better life, all right, and people who are unemployed, underpaid, disabled, college students, retirees, etc. So I'm going to leave a link in the description area of this video, and you know, it's cost nothing to take a look at this incredible system. So I'm going to invite you to do that and get all of the information, and the system tells you everything you would need to know about this opportunity. Okay, so there you have it. I'm Terry Brown. I'm going to leave my link again. Be sure to check it out, and hope to see you on the inside. You be very blessed today. Okay, bye-bye.